Right, Kiaria, or is it Kiaria? I like Kiaria. Kiaria is 7 years older than Jay, and Martha is twice as old as Kiaria. And we're told about the sum of their ages, and we're asked to find the ratio of their ages. Right, well, let's give their ages some names. So Jay's age, let's call it J. Kiaria's age, let's call it K, why not? And Martha's age, let's call it L. No, let's call it M, otherwise we'll get confused. Wonder what happened to L. Anyway, never mind. So, what does this tell us? It tells us that Kiaria is 7 years older than J, so that's J plus 7. And then we're told that Martha is twice as old as Kiaria, so that's 2K, or if you like, 2 times J plus 7. Okay, I've put it in terms of J because I think that might be useful. We're then told that the sum of their 3 ages, so this is the third piece of information here, is that J plus K plus M is 77. Now we can express K and M, look, in terms of J, and that will give us an equation in J. So, J plus 7 plus 2J plus 7 all adds up to give 77. And we just have to solve this equation. A little bit of multiplying out to do. 2 times J plus 7 is 2J plus 14. And before that, we've got J plus 7, and that's still equal to 77. Right, let's put everything together. How many J's have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 J's. And how many numbers have we got on the left? Well, we've got 7 plus 14, and 7 plus 14 is 21. And so I've simplified my equation, and I can now solve it in the usual way by subtracting 21 from both sides, which leaves me with 4J equals 77 minus 21 is 56. And if we divide both sides by 4, well, the 4's on the left cancel. That was rather the point of doing that. And J is equal to, well, how do I divide by 4? 56 divided by 2 is 28, and 28 divided by 2 is 14. Okay, so that's a really good way of dividing by 4, is to divide by 2 twice. So J is 14, and so K is, well, J plus 7, which is 21, and Martha is twice 21, so Martha is 42. Okay, that was J plus 7 and 2 times K. So there we go, and so we have the ratio, okay, which they've asked us for. J to K to M is 14 to 21 to 42. They haven't asked us to do this, but we could simplify that by spotting that there is a factor of 7 here, and if we wanted to, we could write this as 2 to 3 to 6, just dividing all of those by 7. Didn't actually ask us to do that, but it's a nice touch.